Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So we are with the Range Rover Evoque. This is a 2015 model. So we're going to change the battery as it keeps coming up with the light on the dash. So the battery is located under the plastic cover. I've got two clips missing. These just come out quite easily. Give them a little unscrew and then they should pop out. Quite annoying. Okay, remove that cover. Obviously there's your battery, so make sure you order the correct one. There's the details there. Get yourself one of them. You don't have to obviously get a Land Rover one. Then you've got to remove the bar going across. So you've got a 13mm socket there and then two on the other side. So I'm going to get those off. It's a little bit tight on the axis here, so it looks like we've got this plastic that could come off. Again, more of the little plastic rivets. Unscrew those, and then that should come off. Looks like it's been held on down there with something. So we'll see what that is, and then remove that and remove the bar. So didn't have to remove this, you can just put it to the side. There is a little plastic grommet with a head on it there, so just using one of these tools I just lifted out that one and then that frees that up. That's a little bit of plastic. Put that with the other bits and then obviously the same again. And there you go, it does come off, so it's just sitting in there. These are just annoying. I've unscrewed it, tried turning it, they're just a bit fiddly. So we get that out and then this bar will be free. Loosen off them 10mm. Alright, I'll have to get in there with a spanner and we loosen those off. There's obviously a lot of cables, so it's probably going to be a bit fiddly to get out. Oh, and there's also a bolt there which is obviously securing down at the base. I don't know if that comes off, a bit of plastic here as well, so we'll just go through it. So with these I just lever these up, don't take the nuts all the way off, leave them on. I've done a negative first, put a rag under it, and then this bit of plastic, you've got clips each side and each side there and there. Get that out of the way because it's a pain in the arse. And now we just got to try and manoeuvre the cables out of the way. This one seems to be a bit right, so it's going to be a jiggling act, and I think, yeah, 10mm. So I'm going to do that, pull that out of the way, and then it's going to be a two-hand job to jiggle this battery out. It just looks diabolical with all these cables everywhere, but there you go, it's a Range Rover. So the old battery, I had to literally lift it up from this end, so it was like this to pull it out because it's obviously pretty entangled with all the bits. Don't forget this, obviously pull that out, the old one, put it in the new one. Put a rag under the negative, so just reinstalling, so getting this back in, get that lined up, do it up nice and tight so it supports the battery. Then obviously the plastic casing, so, and then I'll do the terminals up, test the battery. I have recharged it, one thing I didn't know actually, so you get a brand new battery, it's not going to be 100%. So I had to put it on a pulse charge for about 10 hours to get it fully charged. So my little assumption that brand new batteries are fully charged, they're not because of transport reasons. So that's why the manufacturers send them out, and obviously if they've been on a shelf for a period of time then they lose charge, so give it a full charge before you install it. Okay, inside the car, obviously your date and time would be wrong, but and the bonnet would be open. Oh, it's taking a second. Oh, slight heart failure. Yeah, no warning lights, that's good. So it's just going to be the setup for your clock. I've done a video on the clock set, So you can see that clock and date set. So I'm just going to finish installing it and that'll be job done. Okay, bar back in place, plastic rivet in there, 2 of these. Lovely, nice sound when you know you're getting there. Them 2 done. Bit of plastic over here. This bit. Slot that in there first, I guess. And then your plastic clips, and then the same with the battery cover. They go in there. And all your clips from earlier, I lost 2 of them, so I'll just put it diagonally. One there. That's definitely in. Yeah. So not the worst battery I've changed, but you know. And there you go, job done, back together, happy days. Thanks, like, share, subscribe on the Range Rover Evoque. Got a few videos, not many on this one, but got a few. So have a little look. Many thanks.